SAP SRM 7.0 Enhancement Package 3 SP07. In this video, we will be discussing about the rejection reason feature in Sourcing Cockpit. This solution provides a possibility to enter a rejection reason within the Sourcing Cockpit for the rejected items. If multiple items are selected for rejection in Sourcing Cockpit, solution provides ability to provide the rejection reason as well for all the selected items. Rejection reason is stored as note in the purchase requisition or shopping cart along with details like name of purchaser and date of rejection. Under this development, a new pop-up with space to write rejection reason is made available, which allows purchaser to enter the reason for rejecting a particular item or even multiple items. For better understanding of the topic, we will move on to the demo. Let us say a purchaser performs sourcing, goes to the Sourcing Cockpit and searches for the required shopping carts by giving search criteria. Purchaser then decides to reject an item. To do so, purchaser clicks on the reject button. Application throws a pop-up to provide the rejection reason for that item. Purchaser enters the rejection reason and confirms. It can be seen that the rejection reason is saved along with the name and ID of the purchaser and the date on which this was done under the Notes and Attachments tab of that item detail. In case of purchase requisition coming from backend ERP system, the purchaser rejects an item of purchase requisition goes to the backend ERP system and opens that PR document. It can be seen that the rejection reason is saved along with the name and ID of the purchaser and date in the backend ERP system in rejection reason text of that purchase requisition. To enable this feature, follow the navigation path as shown in the customizing information. Set the switch to active and save it. The feature will now be available for use.